14 hours later, here we are at San Fran Airport. It's really cold compared to Singapore. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys at ITLink. Do drop us a message on LinkedIn if you want to meet up for coffee. Sitting on my dashboard, trying out Cognos Analytics in their learning lab. So they've got a step-by-step guide over here that we can follow. And then we've got Cognos Analytics, where we learn about the different visualizations, how to use the interface, very good stuff. Today's day 2 of Think. I just finished a learning lab, going up for a seminar and a talk later on. Probably gonna check out some networking booths. Excited for today. Check out the area. Going to the campuses now. They're gonna have a couple of networking booths. So we're gonna see who we can meet.